We made it. Costa Rica duty free. Then we head to hotel.
Let's be holding a sign. He or she.
Let's do it.
Let's go. All our bags.
And we're headed to breakfast. Café.
Un café con leche. Alright. The tippy top.
Look at that. So, where are we at?
Harry Potter themed restaurant.
And what is, it's about what? Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out. Oh, there's a dragon at the top.
We made it to the San Jose market. Where are we at?
San Jose market time.
Yep.
Let's go join the crowd.
Okay, so someone's finally got his ice cream. How is it?
Lola Mora's ice cream.
Yeah. Bueno. To breakfast, the $9 breakfast. Our hotel wanted $33 a person for the breakfast buffet. So let's see how it is. I'll tell you when we finish.
Alright, we just arrived. The Lomas del Volcán.
Okay, this is our door. There's no doorbell.
Hola. So let's hear it.
Oh, I have to tell you something?
Okay.
Yes. So what I would tell you was I had an absolutely amazing experience today. Whitewater rafting.
Oh, really?
And I wanted to tell you that I'm down to come back to do the world's best whitewater rafting with you.
Oh my god, no way.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes me happy. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Aw, thank you.
Wow.
Got flan. Look at that portion. With the love of my life.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay, so he found chocolate fusion, and we went in and got an eclair for him, and I got some truffles. And what you drinking?
Dirty chai.
Some dirty chai. And it's good?
So damn good.
Yeah.
I had to get something that had coffee.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, this is my omelet. And then this is his breakfast right now, round one. Hey.
We are river pool hopping at 12 o'clock. Let's go. Coming out of our balcony, all the clothes that are washed.
All right, enjoy it. Come straight, right? Well, with your right hand by your hip, and then wave right over there. Tuna steak. Lobster?
Woo! Wow.
Bueno.
Wow.
Thank you. Yes. All right. We got the lobster.
Oh my gosh, look at this lobster.
All right. That's what? Garlic sauce?
Yeah. Ooh. I don't know how many calories that is.
Bueno. Okay, we're about to dive in. Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Look at that.
Oh, that's a cucumber?
Coconut water, soda, and cucumber. And a lime.
All right, Mangosta Beach
And
Club.
sweaty. We're going to beach club.
Checking out the beach for the.
Music video. Look at him with his microfiber towel, wiping away his sweat.
All right, is it hot or is it warm? It's warm.
Oh, it's warm. Woo. Oh yeah.
Great.
It's nice warm water.
Day 2 beach day. You ready?
A little bit more. Okay, there, push the rock. Be careful, it's slippery. Pura vida. Okay, push the rock. Be careful. Ready?
Alright, so we just came to an Indian restaurant in Costa Rica. Let's see what this is about.
I think they got bacon.
And he's sweating bullets. Okay, so we just did shopping at Walmart and we walked here and now we're walking back and it's so hot. And look at all this stuff. But we're doing it.
There's no glory in this.
Traffic. No Uber wants to pick us up. Okay, we're taking our love sack and our bag.